Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add views to your projects in Clickup in the updated 2026 layout. This is super useful if you're managing a Shopify store because different views help you see your work from totally different perspectives, whether you're tracking orders, marketing tasks, or product launches. So yeah, let's jump in. First, open the project space, folder, or list where you want to add a view. This could be a space for your entire store, a folder for marketing or fulfillment, or a specific list like product uploads. Then click the Add View button at the top. Choose the view you want: list, board, calendar, Gantt, timeline, table, workload, mind map, whatever fits what you're doing and how you like to work. Give the view a name so it's easy to recognize later, and choose whether it's private or visible to everyone. Private views are great if you want your own setup, while shared views work well for teams. Then add filters or sorting so the view only shows what you need, like tasks assigned to you, items due this week, or tasks related to a specific Shopify campaign. You can add as many views as you want: a list for detailed task management, a board for visual workflow and status tracking, a calendar for deadlines and promotions, or a Gantt for long-term planning like product launches or seasonal sales. They all sit in your view bar, so you can switch instantly depending on what you're focusing on that day. If you want to reorder views, just drag them into the order you prefer, and if you want to remove one, click the three dots and delete the view. It won't delete your tasks, so you can experiment freely without worrying about losing any work. You can also add views at the space level for a big picture overview of everything happening in your Shopify business, or at the list level for something more focused, like managing a single product line or campaign. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you get more organized in Clickup, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, actionable tutorials for Shopify store owners and beginners. If you have any questions about views or how to set them up for your specific workflow, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.